guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove the label from almost any glass bottle, and that includes wine bottles, and make them look like this. Now, if you've been crafting, you know that you can make some awesome crafts with some glass bottles, and some of these glass bottles are amazing, and the labels or the glue they use is insanely hard to remove. And as you can see, the results are amazing with this little technique that I've I don't know if anybody else has used it, but I researched Google and I researched YouTube, and I could not find anything until I stumbled upon this accidentally at home. I don't know if anybody else has used it, but I didn't see it anywhere, so I decided to make a video, and I had great results. And I also was able to remove this plastic label that is insanely hard to remove. If any of you have tried to remove these plastic labels, the glue in itself is insanely hard to remove. Did I just use the word insanely like 8 times? I apologize. But see, the results are great. This is a water bead, but as you can tell, the glue is completely gone, and it is fabulous. And this is the result. Now you can see the back as well. I think there's a label at the bottom. There it is. So stick around so you can see how awesome this little project or this little tip is. So let me know what you think. Thanks, guys. Okay, guys, so to get started, you need the glass bottle that you need the label removed from. You're also going to need a steak knife like this one with a serrated edge. We are also going to need some preloaded wool pads. And we're going to score the paper like this with a little bit of water. You don't need this much water. I just get carried away when I'm making videos, but take off as much paper as possible like this, and you are going to end up with something like this with all that gooey glue that we hate. So this is where the wool pads come in. So just soak it a little bit and then scrub it. Rinse, and you're good to go. It's as easy as that. Now, some bottles do require more elbow grease and some require less, but technically speaking, all of them get the same result. So I am going to show you how to do the same with the results I got for the plastic bottle. Now for this one, it does take a little bit of more elbow grease, and you will use the knife as a spatula kind of, because see, as I'm using, I flipped it over and I'm using the dull side, and that kind of scoops away the label and some of the glue as well. So I suggest that, just be careful when you use these when you're scrubbing, because you might, get carried away and cut yourself. So just be very careful. But in reality, once you get all that plastic off, the little wool pad with the little soap that's in there will work its magic, and all the glue will come off. And this is the end result. I just love how it looks. How it works, I should say. And I don't know. I'm raving about it right now. If you have any questions, and if you like these videos, please let me know what you think. And but if you like these videos, see me try another technique, or if you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment and let me know if you have any ideas for me to use these bottles with, because I have like a ton of bottles now since I've learned this technique, and I didn't even know what to do with them anymore. So leave me a comment. Thanks, and don't forget to subscribe, because I'm going to be loading a whole bunch of new videos coming up soon. Thank you, guys. Bye.